Yeah, good day, friends, students. Welcome once again to Brain Boss Learning Consult, your best class online mathematics class. Today we'll be looking at angles in a polygon, and I want you to relax and take your pen, books, calculator, whatever you need for this class. Okay, join me as we move on. Angles in a polygon. And don't forget that when we talk about angles, an angle is just a point or a joint where two straight lines meet. So each time two straight lines meet, it must form an angle. And when it comes to this angles in a polygon, we want to start by saying that the first we have what we call angles on a straight line, and we have angles in triangles. We have angles at a point, just like that. But for the sake of today lesson, we'll be talking about angles on a straight line and angles. Okay, we're talking about angles on a straight line and angles at a point. So please take note of that. In our subsequent videos, you get to learn about the rest. So today I want to talk about angles on a straight line. And the rule, just have a rule, and the rule states that angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So we want to talk about the part of angle on a straight line. Don't forget, angle on a straight line is equal to 180. And why is this important? Each of the steps, you are going to give reasons in this topic. You don't just solve. You must make sure you indicate your reasons for taking any step. So we've established that what? Sum of angle on a straight line is equal to what? 180. We've established sum of angles on a straight line is what? 180 what? Degrees. So let's talk about this. Let's say here is A, B, and what? C. Is an angle. So to calculate any of this angle, it is angle A plus B plus C equals to what? 180 degrees. Now, the straight line we are talking about might not just be an horizontal line. It can be a vertical line. So any angle resting on it, be sure that it's going to be 180. Let me give you another example. For instance, we are having this angle here. We are having this angle. Maybe here is we have A, B, C. You can see that this is more like a slant line, but there are angles resting on it. All these angles resting on it, we have them as A, B, and C. That will also be 180 degrees. There are a lot of examples we can use to explain some of angles on a straight line. So let's talk about the second part of the sum of angles. So I believe you understand this better when we apply it during the example period. So let's talk about angles at a point. Angles at a point. Now, the point I want to make here is this. It takes two angles on a straight line to make angle on a point. Or better still, we can say angles and a point is equal to 360 degrees. Angles at a point is equal to 360 degrees. Angles at a point is 360 degrees. Now, the first time I drew something like this, and I call this A, B, and what? C. Immediately any line comes down, it becomes angle at a what? At a point. Now let's see. Immediately this comes down, it is no longer angle on a straight line anymore. It becomes angle on at a what? At a point. So let's call this A, B, C, D. Let's call this what? E. So you can do this. You can solve this. You can break this down, and you can also solve it directly. It depends on how the question comes. So, for instance, let's say we want to solve it directly. You can have that will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals to what? 360 what? Degree. Can you see? So it will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals to what? 360 degree. You can also decide to break it down. Let's break it down. You can also decide to break it down, taking the up part, then the down part separately. Then you bring the values together. So let's see the up part. Let's call it part 1. So let's see. In the up part we have this. This is A, B, and C. So this A, B plus C, that will be what? 180 what? Degree. You will draw the other part again. Let's call that part 2. Please, you have to listen attentively so that you get it. Let's see that part 2. Now you can see this other part, the down part. That is D, E. So whatever you get here, so that will be D plus E equal 180 degree. Whatever you get here, you add it to what you get here. You would have been able to resolve this geometry. And that's what we call angle at a what? At a point. Quickly, let's do some examples so that you get it better. So mathematics is all about practicing. When you don't practice, you won't know much. And when you practice, and when you allow mathematics to become part of you, I tell you, it becomes the simplest subject in the world. Okay, let's see number 1 quickly, and this I want you to follow up. I want to get the